Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. It's that van guy again with another weekly video. Today's going to be my store finds and mail deliveries for the week. I got just a handful of items, but they're all pretty cool, epic items. I got some customs from a local friend in my diecast club. I had a couple customs commissioned by him. I got some really cool stuff from eBay, and then I got this team transport set from a local seller in my area, who's also part of our diecast club. So, and then I got a bunch of water slide decals to make some custom cool combis that I got from eBay. So I guess we could check out these water slides first. They're probably the least interesting to you guys because it's just pretty much a sticker. This is kind of like a Flying Customs convention replica water slide decal from eBay. And I got like 5 different water slide type decals, all from eBay, different designs. So I plan on making like a batch of some cool combis, some cool combi customs. Or having a friend make them, actually, because I'm not really big into customs myself. I don't have all the equipment. Here's like a Halloween type graphic or design. Here's like a 50th anniversary flame design. And these are all for cool combis. That's why they're so small. Here is this is a replica of one of the early convention pieces, the green metallic one. And then this is kind of a loose replica of the wood paneling on a different convention piece that I don't have. This convention piece usually goes for like $200 or more carded, and I'm not willing to pay that much money for a die-cast card, but I would like to try to have my collection as complete as possible. I'm kind of a completist, so I'm fine with like just having a replica of one instead of the real deal original, as long as it looks close to the same. It doesn't really matter to me too much. I'm a loose collector anyway, and a lot of these convention pieces lose their value when they're loose, or lose, a considerable amount of value. They're still pretty expensive. But so there's some water slide decals I got from eBay, 5 different designs, all from one seller, and they're all pretty cheap. So I'll let you guys know how that turns out when I get them done. Then I also have a couple of customs that I had made, and we'll check these out in detail in the second half of the video. I had 2 1970, I think they're 74 or 75 Toy Fair convention pieces, replicas made. I had this Frito-Lay combat medic made, all from decals that I found on eBay. My friend Josh Champo made these customs for me, and I'll share some of his info later in the video, and I'll have a link in the description to a couple of Facebook pages that he has where he makes custom diecast, and you can commission him to make whatever you want. He's a really talented customizer and a local buddy of mine. I also got a couple of these new 2020 mail-in Ford Econoline pickups from eBay. It looks like my camera doesn't want to focus, so we'll just check those out in the second half of the video on the turntable. Got a pair of those, and I got them fairly cheap. I got them cheaper than what I would have had to pay to do the mail-in, because you usually have to buy $20 worth of cars plus send in like $5 for shipping, and then send it in, send in all the card backs and everything. It was just cheaper and easier for me to buy them on eBay, and I had it shipped straight to me from Asia. Here's a 68 Dodge Dart with the Horizon hauler, Car Culture Team Transport, another cool one to hang on the wall with really awesome drag racing card artwork. All these team transports I'm keeping carded, because they have really cool card art, just like almost like a painting in the background, and it's really huge, the card. So I have all the Mopar team transports. I have the Snake and Mongoose and the Plymouth Superbird. I also have the whole drag strip demon sets carded, because they have cool card art. So here's the back of the card. Nothing really interests me in this release except for the Dodge Dart, and I was kind of on the fence whether I was going to get it anyway, but I decided I would, just because I have all the other Mopars. So I'll continue with that, and this one's going to stay carded. We're not going to open it because I'm hanging them on the wall to enjoy the card art on these. So that one will set aside. And then I got this cool Matchbox 4x4 Chevy van from eBay, and we'll check that out up close and personal. So let me just grab the turntable and adjust the camera, and we'll start checking stuff out in detail. First up, we'll check out this cool Matchbox 4x4 Chevy van. This is the Tokyo Giants baseball team, which I believe is a Japanese baseball team. I found this on eBay. I believe they sold them in like a whole box of these that all had the Tokyo Giants logos and colors on them, but then they would have each individual player's name and number on one side of the van. This is Yamakura, number 15. And I just wanted one example. I didn't really need to have like the whole team and every single player's van. I just wanted one example to go in my collection. And I was able to find just one selling individually that was in good condition, because a lot of these, you find them like they want to sell the whole box of them to you for like $100 or something like that, because I'm not really sure how many different player versions. There's like maybe somewhere between 10 and 20 different versions, and I just wanted one. So cool to add this special edition Matchbox 4x4 Chevy van. It's in pretty nice shape. Tokyo Giants. It's got a little special logo on the bottom. I don't know if you can read that or not. It might be all in Japanese anyway. But cool version. Glad I was able to add one to the collection. So we'll set that aside. Next up, we'll check out some of these really cool customs that were made for me by my friend Josh Champo. If you want to check out his customs, he has a couple pages on Facebook. One is called J as in Jason, C as in Charlie, _ custom diecasts with an S on the end. So JC _ custom diecasts. And he makes a whole bunch of customs. He's constantly making different cool customs, and then he sells them. And he has a second page for like his for sale page. The for sale page is very similar. It's JC _ custom diecast sale page. JC _ custom diecast sale page. So you can check out both of those pages. I'll include a link to both in the description, but he's also a local friend of mine and one of the co-founders of our local diecast club. And this Frito-Lay van is kind of hard to come across. It's an old black wall. I believe it was only released in Europe, like maybe England or something like that. I think it's like a special England only release. If you guys know for sure, you can leave a comment down below if you have any information on that. But I've seen some carded ones, and the carded ones say like England release or something like that on them. Something on the card to the effect that it's like a UK release or something. So these can get pretty pricey because they're an old black wall, and also because I think it's not a US release. So this is harder to find, and that means it goes for quite a bit of money. It's not uncommon to see these go for $50 or more, up to $100, especially in nice condition. Sometimes you can find them for $20-$30 in really beat up condition, but I don't really want a beat up one in my collection. I want one that's nice. So I found these decals selling on eBay, and I thought I'll just make my own. You're not going to be able to tell the difference. I used the exact same black base, exact period correct black wall wheels, and the correct blue interior glass. So there's really no way to tell that this isn't the real deal, other than maybe if you look at the base in the bottom, if you can tell that it's been drilled. But it's an exact replica of the real thing. You can tell, maybe you can tell by the rivet on the bottom that it's been drilled. But he did a really awesome job on this. I think it was, it's just a base white paint with the striped decal with the Frito-Lay logo on it, one on each side. Nothing really on the top or the back or the front, just the two sides. So fairly easy, I would imagine, to make this custom. It's just the trick of trying to get the water slide decals to lay flat and then have it, clear coat over it to make sure that they stay. So really cool, really happy with this, how it turned out. It looks awesome. He did a great job, but he always does a great job on all his customs. Then I had, what is it, a 1975 Toy Fair super van replica made. The 75 Toy Fair, the most common one, is the white one with these graphics, but there were a few that are lower production that were made. They had a chrome version, and they had like a gold chrome version. And it's supposed to have red line wheels and a blue tinted glass windshield and interior, and a chrome plastic base. So this one is exactly how it's supposed to be. I got these decals from eBay, and I had my buddy Josh Champo put the decals on for me. It was originally a black van with flames, and we stripped it. Already had the red line wheels on it, and I had the blue interior glass from one of the A-Team super vans and stole the blue windshield glass out of it. So everything is correct. It's supposed to have red line wheels on it, blue tinted glass and interior, and it's supposed to be a chrome polished van with the 1975 Toy Fair Flying Customs decals on it. No, I got two or three sets of these decals, and he stripped a super van for me. Here, I'll just give you a shot of the bottom too, so you can see he's got some, drilled it and put some like rivets or screw heads in there in the bottom. But then he stripped this A-Team super van to get the windshield out of it, and I had extra decals just in case one became a problem. So he made two, so I have a second one. But this one isn't period correct. It's not exact. It has black wall wheels instead of red lines, and it has a smoked windshield instead of a blue tinted windshield. So this one is not perfectly correct in how it's supposed to be. But this one might be for sale. If someone is interested, this is just an extra. I don't really need two different ones in my collection. I just want the one that is the most accurate. And I'm going to keep that one in my collection as a replica of the real thing, because these chrome super vans are super hard to find because there are very few made, and it was only sold at a toy fair in 1975, so they're super hard to get a hold of. And if you find the real thing, I can imagine they'd be super expensive. So those are those two. Again, both of those are made by Josh Champo, my local friend and customizer. Check out his Facebook pages, JC underscore custom diecasts, and his for sale page, JC underscore custom diecast sale page, and I'll have links in the description. Okay, and then last but not least, I got these from eBay. This is the 60s Ford Econoline 60s Ford Econoline pickup. This is a 2020 mail-in, the 6th mail-in of 2020, and I believe this is a GameStop mail-in. I think this is you need to buy cars at GameStop in order to get the mail-in. You have to get the, I think they have like a little info sheet that you fill out there, and then you buy $20 worth of cars, and then you open them all because you need to send the card backs in. $20 worth of card backs and your receipt to the address with maybe a check for some shipping, and then they send them back to you. But I was actually able to find this on eBay and be able to get it quicker than you could if you were actually doing the mail-in, and it was actually cheaper. I think I paid about 15 bucks a piece for these, and it's going to cost you $20 in cars to do the mail-in plus the shipping and stuff. And I did pay shipping on these, but I ordered 2 because there were more than one available. So I could maximize my money for my shipping. There's both of them. They both look like they're in really nice shape. I didn't see any flaws in them or chips in the paint or anything. They're both on Real Riders, Redline Real Riders. They have a little skateboard in the back. You can see that in the bed. It's cast into the plastic bed part as a skateboard. And then I'll give you a shot of the bottom, raw metal base. It's got the Real Rider rubber tires on it. 60s Ford Econoline pickup. So, very cool piece. I collect these Hot Wheels 60s Ford Econoline pickups. I probably don't need both of them. I'll probably end up selling one. But I do have one for my collection now. And I think I have all the ones, all the different releases of this casting. So I had to keep current on it and pick this one up. And I also have the hypo hauler versions. And I have the new holiday one coming in the mail. So you guys will see that in the near future. So that's pretty much it. Again, here's all the loose stuff that we added to the collection this week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it informational. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my Facebook page, That Van Guy. And you can check me out on Instagram. I'm that_diecast_van_guy. Also, make sure you check out the description of the video if you're in the market for some display cases for your loose or carded diecast. Check out Mascar Displays. I have a special promo code just for my subscribers on how you can get 15% off your order on Mascar Displays. And make sure you check out Josh Champo's JC Customs page and check out all his cool customs that he makes that he has for sale. And if you're looking for a custom commission, get in contact with him and he can make something exactly how you want it. Thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a great day.